Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, select About Phone section at the top and click on Device Name. Now you can type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. Lastly, tap on Save at the bottom right corner to save your new name. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Huawei has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!